Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep going with the analysis of the euro currency. So despite that we have some doubts recently concerning the possible upward action, this might happen not from the predefined 10630 but a bit earlier. Still, it seems that the classical tools, the technical analysis have prevailed and market has completed things that it has to complete it. So whatever it will be, currently market stands at the level that we have specified in our weekly report, and generally we're watching for this confidence support as the first area where we intend to take the long position possible upward continuation. Here is also, you can see the market is coming to MACD line, starts flirting with it, and that's another object for observation, so we need to control appearing of the grabber. So appearing on the daily grabber, it will be, well, big support to the bullish context, as actually it's just taken out at the top, and that by itself might put the foundation, put the background for a possible second harmonic swing to the upside. So that's what actually is a primary object on the daily chart. We're coming to important trading sessions, which is a ADP report today and tomorrow non-farm payrolls release. Actually yesterday on this drop has been backed on some statistics as well, as you know. So now we need to make the decision on a possible position taken. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that market has completed the predefined OP target right at the confidence support, which is really great. Divergence here is also has been completed. This market has dropped below these lows between the two tops, right? That's the first instance. The one negative sign with this action is that it is too strong. So as you can see, actually just single black nasty candle right to downside, market has closed almost on the tail. This acceleration to the OP, which CD leg, seems faster than AB. It is not good sign, suggesting that market could go even lower to the XOP around 105.70, which is also will be the 50% support of the whole upward action, so favored euro currency level. Besides dropping to the 105.70, it stands in agreement with the idea of possible grabber appearing or something of that kind. Currently, as you can see, the overall performance here up stands not really very strong, so it's minor bounce, it's not really very fast. And well, currently it doesn't show that market indeed tends to just keep going higher right from there. But we do not know definitely. We have to make the decision based on the Jordan-Apple approach, how it could be traded. So first of all, here we have to use Jordan-Apple Minesweeper entry tactic. I would call it Minesweeper B. So what is suggested? Daily trend stands bullish. Market stands in the strong support on the intraday charts. If you take a look at the hourly chart first, this is 15-minute chart, but first let's take a look at the hourly to estimate the trend. Trend has turned bullish as well. It means that this upward action, we need to get some minor retracement for taking the position. So dropping to the 15-minute chart, we should watch for one of these levels. When the market shows minor retracement, that will be the chance to take the long position with the stops somewhere below this area, or maybe at some other place you would like to. This is in two words how Jordan-Apple Minesweeper tactics use and works. So if we are wrong, the market will just take it out of this loss. It means that market's going to the next support, which we said is 105.70. So on the way up, market currently is forming minor ABCD, and you can see that here we have the confidence resistance. It's 106.80, 106.90, so it also agrees with the XOP. So potentially it might happen that retracement starts not from these points, it's probably It's more probable even, but from these levels. Market will complete this upper direction and then pullback will start. And here you have to make the decision whether you would like to take position right there or you will wait for, say, possible reaching of the XOP. To make the forecast concerning this situation, it's very difficult because we can't predict what the numbers we will get. And the situation mostly depends on numbers, because recent drop is not just some technical self-action from the EUR. This is just was triggered by the statistics that we have got. If you're not sure what you're dealing with this, so just apply all this stuff, entry tactics, so on. So you could just split your position. I always recommend it for those traders who are not sure or not confident enough for trying to operating in a different time frames, searching levels, how better to do with this situation. Just split your trading position. Take some part, 30% here. It will be absolutely normal. Please stop somewhere below maybe confidence and just see what will happen. Maybe market here will form some reversal pattern later. Maybe it will be some butterfly or something of that sort. If market drops to the XOP, you could take another part and simultaneously keep an eye on the daily chart where the grabber will be formed. This is easiest way to deal with the current situation. So that's what we have on the euro currency. Let's keep watching what will happen. On the cable, probably we have the same story. So here is also market stance in the points that we have specified for head and shoulders. So it seems that it has to start. Either just market will collapse and it will be erased, because market currently stands at the point that we have predefined for a possible upside reversal right here. And you can see something's going on already. That's our view. Let's see how data will impact on price performance.